Marking.
Jesus can't hear me out. Are you okay?
Fine.
Like the opening to a horror movie.
Well, laughter's the best medicine.
Maybe you could give me something a little stronger.
It's kombucha.
Are you sure about that?
What's your name again?
PTA President Kelly Pam Convoy.
Basically Ben Affleck. A little shorter.
Do you want to tell me a little bit about this channel of yours?
I found it in my dad's tool shed.
I just do a little bit of this, a little of that.
Any questions?
You're meeting women in AA?
Yeah.
What the hell is going on?
I don't know. Just magically disappear. Well, they did.
Never-ending stories.
This is a bad dream. Either way, I can't wait to thoroughly disappoint both of you ladies this evening.
You just seemed really depressed and eager for me to go.
That wasn't depression, I had Lyme disease.
There are people who have been hurt.
What happens now?
I am feeling so much hostility.
What the hell are you doing here, Annie?
You can't just stay in your car and live off junk food.
You gotta show up every single day.
How would your father welcome you home?
That goes back to Father Flanagan, because he put a new environment around these kids, and they behave differently.
Hang in there. There are people out there who want to help you. You just got to let them.
Thank you.
You're welcome.